Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Aha Box puzzle. This puzzle was Alan Boardman's IPP Exchange puzzle in 2004, but that version was made from wood. The version that I have in my hands is made from aluminum and wood. It was made by cubic dissection. Difficulty level of the Aha Box puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle box is obviously to open it. If you shake the box, you will hear that there is something inside, maybe a part of mechanics, maybe a decoy. You have to figure it out yourself when solving the puzzle. If you take a closer look at the box, you will find that it is entirely made from aluminum and there are two decorative parts made from, I guess it's some kind of a zebrana or some other exotic wood. If you take a closer look on the sides, you will find that you can move this side a little bit and you can move this side a little bit, but there are no other moving parts and there is no way to see the mechanics, so you don't know how to open the box. This puzzle isn't really difficult, but it is quite challenging to find the solution. But once you know how to solve it, you will think that it's really easy, but why I spend so much time trying to figure out the solution? This puzzle is also nice to share with friends and especially non-puzzling friends, since for most of the puzzle people, it will be not a big challenge, but for non-puzzling people, it will be impossible object since there is no way how to open this box. If you like the Aha Box puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.